We are the factory of steel mesh. This kind is the steel mesh ceiling. It is one of the indispensable materials in modern architectural design, widely used in offices, libraries, shopping malls, airports, stations, and other public buildings. It is generally made of aluminum alloy plate and has a variety of hole patterns and sizes. We can customize the steel mesh according your require. Contact us. Our in-house design team has extensive experience in expanded metal ceiling design and can provide a good solution for your project.